you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving.
Okay, the first thing you do is click the top line. You're going to click that first option at the top. You're going to click on Title for Foreigners. And then you're going to put in 225 euros right there. And click Validate. And then you come over here, click Validate again. Click Add to Cart. Then go to your cart. And now if you want a receipt at your email address, you'd enter your email address. So you'll insert your email address right there so that you receive a receipt at your email address. And then you click Validate Basket. And now you're going to make payment. And click on the credit card you're going to use, and you go ahead and enter your card information. And then after you confirm all of that, the payment will go through, and then you will get this. And you'll note that this doesn't have your name or your Visa number or anything on it. You just need to bring this proof of payment with you when you go to pick up your Titre de Séjour. today we're off to pick up our residence cards.
Yay!
Yay! That means our visas have been renewed and we're going to pick up the actual ID card.
Excellent. Let's go.
So we have to pick them up at the prefecture here in Nice. To get there, we can get on either of these two trams. And we take it to around the airport where we have to get off, switch trams, and get on one that says it's headed for Cadam. Cadam is the administration building for immigration, and the prefecture is also located there. So we'll see you when we get there. Okay, we made it to Terminal 1. Next, we're looking for the tram that goes to Cadam. We have to walk around to the other side of the tracks to pick up the Cadam tram. So over here is where we're going to wait for the Cadam tram. See, there's one in 5 minutes. Okay, here comes our tram. The only place this tram is going is to Cadam. Here we are at the Cadam stop. Now we're going to head over to the administrative building. Now, if you came here for your OFII appointment, then you know that you're going to cross over Okay, so you cross the tracks and you're just going to follow the signs that say Centre Administratif.
Coming up.
See, there is an underpass. We're going to walk right under the underpass. So now there's the building in front of us. Now we have to figure out which way to the prefecture. Looking over here to where it says it's the public entrance. Okay, so now we are continuing on. So now we're waiting to go in. So it's official. We got our Titre de Séjour. We get to stay for another year.
Vive la France. So, Anne, why are you so happy today?
Because I got my Titre de Séjour.
You're all set now.
All set for another year.
Yay, very good. Okay,
Let's go.
let's go.
So we got here at 9:15. It is almost 11 o'clock and we spent most of the time waiting. By the time we got up to the window, probably took 2 minutes for each of us to sign the paper and pick up our card. We are back at the tram station. Ready to go home.